Mm-hmm.
I took all my decor, all my decorations and stuff. You know, my wall stuff, my dining room table. I took all the stuff out, mostly
Kain tayo.
my stuff that I bought when I didn't take it all. I just took pictures, flowers, stuff like that. My bed. So I spent $1,600 on that.
I-focus.
I took it. My dressers and stuff.
Well, you already had, you said you already had your own room, right?
Yeah, we used to sleep, you know, but we got to a point where then I started going out a lot. I would leave on a Friday and then come back to Monday. For the end. Because I couldn't stand being there with him. I would go to my friend's house and stay from Friday to leave there on Monday and come to work. And I got sick of that.
And then, but didn't you have to deal with it when you come came home on
They
Monday?
didn't say nothing. He didn't say nothing. He just be mad. And then I stay at home Monday through Thursday. Then I leave as soon as I get off work, like Friday. I already have my stuff packed. I be done. That was maybe like 2 weeks before I was moving.
Oh,
It wasn't like, it was like 2 weeks before I was moving. I was so happy. That whole weekend, I said everything was hung up, everything.
oh yeah.
Then one of these, he would have 3 TVs. One in my room, one in that den room, and one downstairs. And he said I could take the one in my room. When he actually seen that I was moving, he wouldn't let me take it.
He said no?
Don't touch that TV.
Okay, I'll give me a bigger
I
one.
just went to Walmart and bought that same day because I had money saved up. I said I just went to Walmart and bought me a 55 inch for $200 some. Roku TV. It ain't a Samsung, but it's cool.
Yeah, it has everything.
Yeah, it's a smart TV.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Gave me a brand new 40 inch. I put it in my room, so it's perfect. One of my friends get, oh look, oh God. Let's not talk about these peanuts. Oh,
I know.
huh.
They're messy.
Let me clean it up. Look. Somebody taking pictures of the pizza back here.
Look, this is Patrice, please.
Yeah.
Record her.
Here's proof. But they said I was talking to my doctor. She said at the age that I am, a lot of people
I bet.
say you won't believe the stories I hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put it right there so nobody won't take it. My
Yeah,
message.
because a lot of women or a lot of men don't want to deal with it anymore. You know?
I think this is because we've been together for so long and we fall out of love with it. Then you get these, like I got a friend now, I want him to stop calling me. I really do. He acting a little
Come
funny
here.
now. I was like, good. Cause I'm not gonna, you're not gonna. At my car. I want to talk. What's the name? Psycho. Then he went and bought me flowers, he bought me a toast bag.
try to be like little shorter, maybe little by little.
That's what I'm saying. I can't do no more. You lying. That's what I told her. I said, stop playing. If you want to change, go ahead. I'm good. You know, I like going doing stuff and meeting new people.
Where do you meet other people when you go out in the bar or what?
When I go to this place called Fifth in West LA,
Okay.
a lot of professionals. This guy got his own business.
I want to do that for that.
You do?
Cuba has a lot. Oh my god.
Cuba?
I got to Cuba. And I never went to Cuba like 2 months. But no, I didn't like where anyone there.
Why?
Hot.
Well, Cuba is nice to the people too.
Yeah, because a lot of them have colored eyes. They're mixed with white and black.
Because they like it.
Light skin, colored eyes, pale skin.
This guy here got good eyes. He's nice looking.
Ito ang Radyo Patrol, Trisha Lindo, TCNN. Ako po sa Angeles City sa Pampanga. Sumatali ako sa mga speaker. So, dun po talaga din ako nakulat. Work natin as a journalist is to make sure that they will learn. Yung pamilya na kapag talaga may pinagharapan
Oh,
yan, tanongin kung paghirap.
Maybe go further out.
Lalo yung isipin, parang yung mo nung ginagawa ko. Gaano para sa mga tao na dapat mag-isip story na.
I don't know where they said it died everywhere. They said it died everywhere. You think so? I don't know. I don't remember about it. You ready, boy? Yeah, you good. Yeah, and you go back outside.